Yo, what's going on? We back. Back up in here with another one of them things, man. Y'all know how it go. I need y'all to start. I need y'all, if you haven't already, to go ahead, click that join button, see what's going on with that. Alright? I need y'all to tap in the description on them links, man. I'm gonna start putting new links up. I'm gonna try to start putting new links up every time I buy something, because I need to push these links on y'all, man, because y'all need these links. Y'all need these links just like I do. No, you know what I'm saying? But man, we is leaving the job and about to shoot over Damien house real quick. Do a check on this old Landau, man. He said he wanted me to hear the exhaust, because I'm shopping for a new exhaust for MayRose, man. The boiler Pro XS's, they are good. They are good for what I wanted at first. I wanted the new car, sports car quiet, you know, tame sound. I only give it to you when I give it to you. All this shit over. All that shit over, man. So now we trying to figure out how we finna make MayRose rowdy and ratchet. Because this setup that's about to go in here is not tame at all. And I'm really not ready. I ain't ready to let y'all know all the stuff that's about to be going on with the car yet. But yeah, it's about to be different. I'll say that. It's gonna be different. So that being said, man, let me head on over to Damien's spot. Matter of fact, let me call and tell him on the way. And I'll hit y'all, man, when I get there. Tap it one time. Man, that's it. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Man Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Animal Gang has its own perks and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done it already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video.
Cut it off. Man, that shit loud as fuck. And them not 3s, right? Them not 3 inch, right?
It's 2.5 inch, and the Black Widow's 3 inch.
Oh, okay.
So 2.5.
So you 2.5.
2.5
all the way to that. Then it's 3.
3.
Then the cutout 3. I mean the turn down 3.
Yeah. I think he kept him at 3. Shit, I'm like, oh shit.
Shit, cause my shit.
Yeah, well, he probably ran 2.5 inches on that. Yeah, he ran 2.5 inches coming out of there.
On the turn down?
Yeah.
Okay. Shit. If that shit sound like that and a 2.5, I can imagine what my shit sound like 3 all the way through. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I got a decision to make. God damn. Damn. Yeah, that shit loud, the motherfucker. I told you, man. That shit, I told you when you sent me the video on the phone, I was like, man, that shit loud as hell.
So you gotta hear it for yourself. I told you you're gonna hear.
Man,
you hear now.
that shit crazy, dog.
You hear here. It's a like I said. You hear on the, like I said, on the the video.
Right. Man, I can imagine what this shit finna sound like when a nigga get down off in that motherfucker. Yeah, I need that.
So you sold on it.
I need that. Boy, I got a decision to make. Damn.
What kind of Black Widow look at, man? Y'all go ahead and
I already hit them up, man. I already hit them up. They said they don't do sponsorships. But got the seats in here from Diego.
I heard about the junk on it.
Man, hey, everybody call junkie. Shit. Yeah, I see mine.
It's a work in progress.
Shit, I been driving mine. You ought to see mine.
It's a work in progress. Definitely on there.
Mine done been in traffic before. Goddamn it. Shit, my work in progress is done. That motherfucker still junkie. I gotta fix that shit. Yeah, man, that shit. Ooh, that shit sound good. That shit definitely gonna have the neighbors like, what in the fuck is that?
Oh yeah, it was definitely like that. I know my neighbor, when the daughter get on the bus, he's like, man, the guy next to him, man, pull up in a Mustang 9. I said, dude, so you ain't heard my car yet.
Man.
You might not even want to talk to me, though.
Man, it's crazy.
Like, you all right, man. You somebody like I'll be cool with, and then you stay around the corner from me, so I ain't got to worry about this. It's possibility, bro.
Yeah, man, it's time to put this motherfucker in the street, boy. Damn, I got a decision to make, man.
I was seeing them other cat riding by. I said, dang, man, I need to hurry up.
Hurry up, but don't hurry up.
These jokes gonna be mad as hell. I'm like, man, y'all be sounding good, huh? Shit. I mean, you gonna rap on your stuff, though.
Right. Like, hurry up, but don't hurry up. You know what I'm saying? Like, hurry up, but don't rush it to the point to where, you know what I'm saying, you skip over some shit. Like, make sure everything's straight.
Yeah, we found that out.
Just do it fast.
Look, I found that out hooking them fans.
Yeah.
I had them, like I said, I had them hooked up to the yellow and green.
Mm-hmm.
I was supposed to have them hooked up to that black. Which I thought that black was grand.
So do they still come on though?
I haven't ran.
You ain't ran it yet.
Came on. Put these screws back on.
That shit sound good, boy. I know y'all ain't forget about this jump, man. Y'all, hey, the boy, he'll be here in a minute now. Y'all bullshit. He'll be here in a minute.
I was saying you forgot would be quickly remind.
Oh yeah. Damn.
Yeah, that joke right there messed my eardrum, man.
Yeah, that shit loud. Like, nah, that shit was ringing my ears like I was sitting in there with some music or something.
Yeah, it had that, like a concussion in your ear.
Yeah, like what the fuck? Like that little tingling shit, like it's tickling your eardrum or some shit.
Yeah,
that shit that loud, boy.
I do have it X piped out. So.
And you got an X pipe.
Yep.
Man, hell no.
I ain't like what's called got his X. It's just you seen how it was up on there?
Oh, let me see. Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, that's the same X pipe I got.
Okay.
That's the same one I got.
Ain't that strong weight.
Yes.
You just got that strong weight. It made like eat.
Yeah.
That's that in and
Right.
back up.
Yeah, that's the same John I got. My shit just 3-inch. So whatever I'm finna do, whatever exhaust I do come up with, and I said I'm gonna get, because I got a couple of them in mind. I know whatever it is, I gotta take the cutout off. Like I'm just gonna take it off, cause there's just most shit that just don't even need to be there. It was cool at first, but then this shit got old fast though. Cause it was like I had my cutout open more than I had, you know what I'm saying, it closed. So I was like, I came to the conclusion like, well, shit, if I'm gonna have the motherfucker open more than I got it closed anyway, shit, I might well just put me a loud muffler on her. Which that boiler is what I thought I wanted. Which I did want it. Like I wanted the up-to-date car, new muscle car sound from the factory. It was quiet, and then when you get on that motherfucker, it do a thing. But now it's like, man, I don't even want that shit no more. Like I need to, know what I'm saying? I found out quickly that wasn't what I wanted.
And that's the thing I'm gonna find out for when I really open that mug up. You know.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be like, man.
I might have to work on my music because I don't want to drown my music out. But you know, I haven't drove it, so I don't know if it produced that drone sound.
Right. But they say all the Black Widows. Oh, and these are the Black Widows. What, race Venom 250?
No, that's just
Venom 250.
That's just race Venom.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you had 250s.
Oh. I got the race Venom. Just.
Oh, okay.
Then but now, okay, how they got it staged? I think you got your 250. No, I want to say it's 250, 300, race Venom, Angry Housewives, and Neighbor Hater.
Yeah. So you got the race Venom. Okay, so I thought them was the 250s.
No,
I thought that's what you were talking about, they were 250s. Okay, so I misunderstood what you're saying. Yeah. Okay, so
we got
it. Yeah. So yeah, you got the race Venoms, and the dude that had it on there, he was like that the Black Widow, they don't have that drone because they did some on the inside of it to keep it from having the drone or whatever. So
yeah, for most of them, yeah, they eliminate the drone. But like I said, I haven't drove, and
right.
you know, I don't have my inside
right
dynomatic yet. So
I ain't got my shit dynomatic. I ain't putting shit on the inside of my car. Fuck this shit. I might, but I don't think I'm gonna do it though.
Thinking about it.
I don't think
I'm
gonna
probably gonna go with it just for the hell of it. I know I'm gonna dynomatic the trunk.
I definitely doing that.
All loose parts.
I'll do the inside car before I do the trunk. Cause if I put anything in the trunk, that motherfucker need to sound like a Sprite can.
Yeah, they always sound like you can put somebody in there and they trying to get up out of there.
Right.
Had the whole license plate shaking and everything.
Damn. But yeah, man. Yeah, I see it. He got the motor in there. Got the mufflers done. So now that was just a startup to him. So really, you gotta get it tuned.
Right.
And he got this old Dakota Dizzle he about to put in here. Got that old Dakota Dizzle, that old analog. Got that. Gotta do. What else we got? All right, you gotta put the ring gotta go in. Depending on what wheels you got, might have to shorten that motherfucker.
Yeah, that's one thing I said, I don't know. So probably when I do both that mug up, probably gonna push these. But it didn't look, you know, I never measured it, so I can't really say if I push these out.
They probably push out about 1 inch. Probably. I don't know.
Then I got
Cause I don't know the length of that. That's 7.5, right? I think that's 7.5.
What's on that now? 7.5.
Yeah.
What's behind that? 8.
Yeah.
8.
So I don't know the length of that one.
Yeah, I do have them QA1 shots put on there too. So.
Yeah, I gotta get me some.
Got them for the front, but I need to put the rear.
I gotta get me some for the rear, cause
they ain't turned up in the front. They just, I get them set.
Oh, they already in there?
Yeah, they're already. I gotta set the factory specs.
Nah, I can't see them. We ain't gonna worry about it. They know. You seen one QA1, you seen them all. Y'all know they there. Don't even worry about it.
On both sides, up and lower, and control line. I ain't got the performance control line. Just standard on it. Final time, where you perform?
Man, ain't nobody worry about that shit.
Send me the performance money.
Man, I'm trying to tell you. Ain't nobody worry about all that.
Anything you want me to do, send the money.
Sponsorships. And I'm gonna send me your company and your name or whatever. I'm gonna put it on a sticker and put it on the window.
Oh, yeah. I rep it all day. Hey, this person sent this to me. I fucks with it.
Yes, sir.
You send it to me. Yeah, it look ugly. I ain't tired of my wires and stuff.
Ah, man, we ain't worried about none of that. What they was worried about was the sound and all that shit right there. They don't give a fuck about none of that. You can have a full wasp nest on top of this motherfucker, spaghetti raccoon nest on the top. And goddamn it, drag this motherfucker down the road.
I said that, thought about that. I have a goddamn wasp nest on this motherfucker. It's funny you said this.
Bruh, you can have a full, I'm talking about, for real, a whole possum raccoon nest on top of this motherfucker. They wouldn't give a shit. As long as you out there burning tires and it sound good and it's running, they don't care about this shit.
I know it's gonna do that.
They don't care nothing about none of that other shit.
They put the ring on there now. When I was bagging up the bus car, it goes.
Oh yeah, that motherfucker can't handle this shit. You gonna eat straight through that motherfucker.
And them 342 gears on there, so I already know what they would do with 342 gears. I just ain't. I'm thinking about just tuning to what's on there now, then come back later. I just don't want to waste that money though, but I would like to see what they do on 342.
Now you gonna tear that shit up. Well, I don't know.
But
Cause my rig, I had a damn 308 in mine, so.
But you know your 342s came on.
Yeah, it came in the Camaros and shit.
Like, yeah. So, and that's a quick jumping ring.
So you might you I mean you probably good.
That's out the hole. That mug gonna jump. And it still wouldn't
that kind of power though.
No, it'll play out quick though. But it says a highway gear though. I don't know. When I had that 350 in there and with the 383 stroke, it'll help run through that transmission quick, and then it's just like the engine is the RPM's going up, and it's like we need one more gear to relax this thing.
No.
So if I probably would have had a 700 hour on here then, I probably would have saw what it really can do. So with 350 going 2-3 years, you out.
Right. Yeah, man.
Should they count on wrestling? 1, 2, 3, yeah.
Y'all see what's going on, man. We all heard these boys making progress. I got her and get my car back out here. Ooh-wee. But yeah, I hit y'all, man, when I get to the house, cause yeah, y'all done seen enough. Yeah.